many reasons, but right now I shall give 4 to go lean. Number one, since the market has become very competitive, an organization must find ways to develop better products and provide it as and when required at lower cost to satisfy customers. The second important reason is any organization not able to break boundaries of traditional way of working. Third reason is organization looking for cultural excellence. Okay, right now the organization culture is not in a way that helps the overall culture to be developed. And the fourth most important reason is extremely important is organization looking for operational excellence, and lean helps in doing so. Is the elimination of anything not absolutely required to deliver a quality product or services on time to customers. So it helps in improving the process dramatically. And Kaizen is taking small steps leading to big improvements and doing it daily. Mark my words, it is not regularly but daily. So taking small steps to focus on reducing and eliminating waste. Kaizen also helps in creating people-centric approach, aligning head to vision, heart through inspiration, and hands to continually improve. So these are the ways the Kaizen and Lean work together. Lean means you don't have to spend any resource, rather you optimize on the resources available.
Okay.
Like space utilization is much better. The resources which are not being utilized, like we had some 30 machines, but we could get work done for 36 machines because the resources were being utilized very well. Even the manpower, the inventory, all these resources are utilized and without spending money on it. When I said without spending money, naturally one has to pay to the consultants, but otherwise you don't need to spend anything.